y'all, welcome back and thank you for watching another one of my videos. So this hair was sent to me from, I know I'm going to mess it up, Eullair hair. I'm leaving the correct name and all the information and the links down below. There's even a discount code below if you're interested in saving a little bit of coins if you want to try out this hair. But this was sent to me from Eullair hair. They sent me a 20-inch frontal along with a 24-inch and 326-inch bundles of their deep wave 613 hair, y'all. The beginning clips, I showed you all how the hair pattern looks freshly washed, and then I showed you all how it looked when I blow dried or blowed out the hair so it could be easier to curl. I originally planned to wear it in its natural state, but I noticed that the frontals waves or the curls on the frontal is much looser than the bundles. So I just decided to blow out the whole entire thing and then just put pin curls in it. I do have a video on how I achieved this color. If you're interested in that, I'm going to link it down below for you all so that you can go straight to it.
Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do I turn you on? Now I got you drunk.
Right here, I'm just taking my Sebastian Shaper hairspray to give it some extra hold. I love this hairspray. It gives it a great hold without it being too crunchy. I love it. I got that from Sally's.
I'ma make you mine, get you on the floor.
So I decided to try the ball cap method for the very first time, y'all. This was my very first time ever attempting it, ever trying it. Shout out to Glamazante. I definitely watched her video to help me do this ball cap method.
What you want, give me what you want.
So right here, I'm just wrapping it up so I can let it dry completely while I'm getting ready. And then right here, I'm just cutting that piece in the front because that knee high that I picked out, y'all, I should have got I don't know, I should have found an extra large one or something because it was, oh my God, like it was killing my head, y'all. It was legit cutting off my circulation. But yeah, y'all, I just ran right on through this method because I knew y'all knew how to put on a ball cap. It's been done plenty of times. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut my mouth now and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
Do I turn you on? Now I got you drunk, got you on the floor.
Alrighty, y'all. This is pretty much a wrap for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all couldn't tell me nothing, okay? Like, I am feeling this entire look, baby girl. I am feeling it, okay? I was feeling myself very hard. But again, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, share this video. Y'all definitely let me know down below in the comments if you like this hairstyle or not. Would you try it? Would you rock it? Let me know. But again, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so, so much. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video.